Always prepare the ground for the undercarriage before lifting. Avoid standing on any obstacles when lifting, because when lifting or slewing, the centre of gravity can change and you could lose control. Use the travel pedals, moving them back and forth alternately. This will grind down even the smallest obstacle. If you have a quick fit, disconnect the bucket. Your lifting capacity is now increased and you will be able to see better, for example in a trench box. Refer to the operator manual or information given in the cab as to the lifting data your excavator is capable of handling. Never go above the maximum weights given in the documentation. You could be placing those in the vicinity of the excavator and yourself at risk. You could also severely damage the excavator. Communicate with the people outside the cab who are helping you. It is essential that they know what to do and that you all have a clear understanding of what is happening. Let those outside the cab check the lifting device, or even better, do it yourself. The lifting device should be approved for the weight involved, and all pins and such like should be secured with split pins. Check the function of the locking lip. Use the lifting hook in the quick fit and make sure that the locking device in the hook closes the lifting eye in the hook. Check that your colleague outside the cab is doing the job correctly. The lifting procedure should only be started when you get a signal from him or her. Use the lifting mode Fine, F, when lifting. Now you have the power boost at maximum pressure, but the main pumps are separated. One pump only for each circuit, and the double pump connection will never disturb you in this mode. In other words, safe lifting. Lift over the front idler, where the lifting forces will be better spread to the chain compared to the sprocket wheel, which will place all the lifting force onto the bushings. Slew the weight before you start moving the undercarriage. This makes the lift easier to control and the weight will oscillate less. Should you be given new instructions from the site manager, lower the weight to the ground before leaving the cab. Never leave the excavator with a weight or full bucket in the air. It is dangerous and should never happen. Do not forget your hard hat when leaving the cab. Another tool is to use the overload warning device. Press the switch on the control panel. This device will warn you by means of a buzzer and warning text on the display. Refer to the operator manual for more details. If you're not equipped with hose rupture valves, then you won't have the overload warning device. We strongly recommend that you only lift with excavators equipped with hose rupture valves. Without these valves, you are unable to stop the load from falling should a hose burst during a lift. Do not jeopardize the safety of those in the vicinity of the excavator. The valves can be ordered as an aftermarket kit.